The super function in Python is used to access functionality of a parent class to support code reuse. If you haven't heard it already in your learn to code journey, if you find yourself copying and pasting code, then you're probably doing something wrong. Just a note, what I'm about to explain works for most scenarios, but super can be used in more advanced contexts that I won't cover in this video. From this first part of the example, nothing fancy is going on. You define a shape class with an init method, and the shape has two attributes, name and num sides. In this next part of the example, triangle inherits from shape. From triangle's init method, you're using super to access the init method of shape. By doing this, since triangle's name and number of sides never change, you can just pass the word triangle and the number 3 to shape's init method without having to copy and paste the code of setting the name to triangle and num sides to 3. In this final part of the example, you're making a triangle object, and when you print out its name and number of sides, you get back triangle and 3 respectively. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it to support the channel. If you're trying to learn to code, hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested in Python's built-in methods, check out the playlist on screen now or in the link in the description. Ciao!